it's Alessandro Buxo from Home Chef Seattle. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a delicious tart tatin with red onions and fig jam, and we're going to be topping it with some melted Brie cheese. I'm going to be making small tarts, but you can follow the same recipe and make a big one if you wish. Please don't forget to press the like button and subscribe to the channel. I hope you enjoy it. Let's get started. First, I'm gonna head to the garden and get some fresh thyme that we're gonna be using on the pies. For this recipe, I'm gonna be using small red pearl onions. You can also use small yellow onions or shallots instead. Start by cutting the onions in half. Next, peel the outer layer of the onions and cut the very tip of the roots or any tops that are dry. Melt 3 tablespoons of butter in a skillet over medium-high heat. Once the butter is bubbly, add the onions cut side down. Then, add the leaves of a few sprigs of thyme and some fresh grated ginger, between half to 1 teaspoon. Next, add 3 to 4 tablespoons of a good fig jam. Mix it in, being careful not to turn the onions. Once combined, add a good splash of brandy. Then, set it on fire to flambe or simply let the alcohol cook and reduce. Cook it for a couple minutes, then remove it from the heat. Next, roll out a sheet of thawed puff pastry. Don't roll it too thin, just enough to cover whatever size of pie you're making. I am using small spring-form pans. The pies can also be made using ramekins, small cast iron skillets, or a big skillet if making one single pie. I'm cutting the pastry with a round cutter that is just slightly larger than the pans. Next, cover the bottom of the pans with a layer of the onions, keeping the cut size down, and adding some of the sauce as well. Any leftover sauce can be warmed up and drizzled over and around the pies for plating later. I was planning on 4 but had just enough onions for 3 pies. Cover each pie with a piece of the dough and press the sides down around the onions. Then, using a knife, poke a few holes over the puff pastry. Bake the pies in a preheated oven at 400 Fahrenheit, 204 Celsius for about 12 minutes or until the pastry is nice and golden in color. In the meantime, cut some Brie cheese into wedges. Remove the pies from the oven and let them cool for a couple of minutes. Somebody's getting an extra crust. If using springform pans, open and remove the sides, then turn them to remove the bottom pieces. Use a spatula to release any onions stuck to the pan. If using ramekins or skillets, just turn them onto a dish to unmold the pies. Top each pie with a wedge of Brie cheese. Then return it to the oven for a couple minutes until the cheese starts to melt. And the pies are ready to be served. For plating, first add the pie. Then sprinkle it with some fresh thyme leaves. I also like to add some flake salt for a hint of saltiness. Then finish with a drizzle of the leftover sauce. And the pies are ready to be enjoyed. I hope you have enjoyed the recipe. Please don't forget to like it, leave a comment, and subscribe to the channel for more recipes to come. Thank you for watching.